Bullish Aave value expectation is $92.30 to $356.50. Aave cost could likewise reach $400 soon. Bearish Aave cost expectation for 2022 is $46.10. In Aave cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about Aave to dissect the future development of the digital money. Aave current market status. The cost of Aave is $86.28 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $145,857,087 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Aave has diminished by almost 5.9% as of now. What is Aave? Aave is the local administration badge of Aave, a crypto getting and loaning DeFi convention on Ethereum. Aave was sent off in 2017 as ETHLend. Aave convention gives clients to make and access liquidity pools for crypto resources and true resources. Aave likewise permits loan specialists to acquire financing costs on securing in their resources in the pool. Borrowers additionally benefit of crypto-supported advances by means of decentralized Schroed agreements. Aave token awards casting a ballot rights to its holders to take part in the administration of the convention. Clients can likewise send Aave tokens as securities in the Aave convention. The third rendition of Aave, Aave V3, presents greater interoperability to the Aave convention. Aave value forecast 2022. The plunging triangle is generally usually seen during downtrends and is many times deciphered as a negative sign. Conversely, the climbing triangle design is turned around in the diving triangle design. As the value keeps on making worse high points, diving triangles demonstrate to financial backers and brokers that vendors are more forceful than purchasers. At the point when the cost breaks out of the triangle toward the general pattern, the example is finished. In opposition to prevalent thinking, a sliding triangle can be bullish or negative. All the more in this way, a customary slipping triangle design is generally viewed as a negative graph design. A plummeting triangle design, then again, can be bullish. At present, Aave is in the scope of $86.21. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of Aave could arrive at the obstruction levels of $92.30 and $115.50. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Aave might tumble to $77.90. Aave backing and obstruction levels. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Aave. From the above day-to-day time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Aave. Resistance level 1, $115.60. Resistance level 2, $172.40. Resistance level 3, $258.60. Resistance level 4, $356.50. Support level 1, $78.90. Support level 2, $46.10. The graphs show that Aave has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Aave could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $356.50. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Aave could dive to nearly $46.10, a negative sign. Aave value forecast 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Aave is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Aave lies underneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, Mama, of Aave is displayed in the outline above. Prominently, the Aave cost lies under 50 present moment, so it is in a downtrend. At present, Aave has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Aave whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list, RSI, of the Aave is 46.96. This implies that Aave is in an almost oversold state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of Aave might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange Aave Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of Aave. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Aave. As of now, the ADX of Aave lies in the scope of 16.3, and in this way, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above graph additionally addresses the general instability file, RVI, of Aave. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Aave lies over 50, showing high unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Aave is at 46.96, in this way affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Aave with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Aave. From the above diagram, it very well may be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and Aave are moving in a comparable pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Aave likewise increment or decline separately. Aave Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, Aave could most likely achieve $450 by 2023. Aave Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Aave could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Aave could revitalize to hit $500 by 2024. Aave Value Expectation 2025. If Aave supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on